CData Connect Cloud provides access to your Salesforce data in Microsoft Excel desktop. With Connect Cloud's data connectivity as a service, you can easily work with your cloud data in your preferred cloud tools and applications. Let's say I want to view and manipulate data in Microsoft Excel, but my relevant data is in Salesforce. There isn't any native connectivity between Salesforce and Microsoft Excel, and that's where CData Connect Cloud steps in. To begin, log into CData Connect Cloud and navigate to the Connections page. Click Add Connection and select Salesforce. Click Sign In and authenticate with your Salesforce credentials. Click Save and Test to ensure the connection is configured properly. You can use the Data Explorer to preview the tables and views that represent your Salesforce account. Once connected, you're ready to import your Salesforce data into Microsoft Excel. Navigate to the Clients page and search for Microsoft Excel. Click Get Started and follow the prompts to subscribe to the connector. Navigate to Microsoft Excel and create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one. Open the Data ribbon and click CData Connect Cloud. Sign in to your Connect Cloud account and click Import. Select your Salesforce connection and select the Salesforce entity you wish to view. At this point, you can customize your query by selecting specific columns and adding filters, sorting, and limits. Click Execute to import the data based on the query generated. Now you have Salesforce data in Microsoft Excel ready for reporting, analytics, and more. And that's everything you need to know to establish live connectivity between your Salesforce data and Microsoft Excel. To get started with CData Connect Cloud, visit cloud.cdata.com and sign up for a free trial. Thanks for watching, and as always, you can find more resources at cdata.com.